In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit the formatting of your headings. So the first thing I do when I want to edit anything that is style related is I open the Styles pane. So I'm going to click here to open the Styles pane. And if I wanted to edit heading 1, what I'm going to do is go over here and you can see heading 1. And as I mouse over it, the pop-up happens. And then I can click on it and then click Modify Style. If I want to change the paragraph spacing, what I'm going to do is down in the bottom left corner, hit the Format button and then hit Paragraph. Here I can update my paragraph spacing, and what's really neat is there's a little window down below that you can actually see how this affects your document. So you can see that as I add the after, the paragraph space. And so it's really kind of a cool way to see how spacing what you're going to do affects things. So that's how you adjust the spacing. There's one more thing I want to show you here, which is how to add borders. And so those are actually called frames. Actually, there's borders and frames. So let's go to border. And to add a border, you can make it as thick as you want. Here, I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. And I want to change the color, so we'll make it blue. And then I can click where I want the border. So I'm going to put the border here. So I'm going to make a bottom border and click OK. And then I'm going to click OK. And see how that made a border from end to end? So that's how you can actually make a line underneath your headings. And that's how to edit the style for your headings. And it will edit on every occurrence. So let's do this on heading 3, because you can see in my document I have 2 heading 3s. And so if I modify the style, and we're going to, again, I'm going to put a border on the bottom of it. And I think I want a nice thick border, and I want it to be blue because my headings are blue. And then I go underneath and I click OK. And you can see again, but now it's the paragraph spacing needs to be adjusted. It's too close. So I'm going to go to paragraph and I'm going to add some spacing, particularly some space afterwards, because it needs to be after the border. Oh, now it's too close on top too. So let's fix that too. So paragraph spacing, and then make them both, give me some nice spacing. There we go. And you can see in the preview window what it looks like. And then once it looks like how I want it, I can click OK. And when I click OK, you'll notice that it updated both of the heading 3s. So it'll update anything in the document that has that formatting. And so that's how you can change the line spacing between paragraphs in Microsoft Word.